Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have one of the most awaited boxes every month, the Princess Box. So Princess Box, it's a lifestyle subscription that is priced at, they have two editions, Deluxe at 999 and Royal at 299 this month with additional shipping. Today we will be unboxing the Royal edition. Now the April edition is themed around the world, and it is even more special because the owner of Princess Box, Priyanka, has specially dedicated this to her late uncle Bob, who had a sudden and unexpected demise in the month of March. So Priyanka wanted this dedication because her uncle has also traveled the world and her box coincidentally has the same theme for the month of April. So Priyanka has done this, and on top of that, for every box purchased, she will dedicate one product to the orphanage in the beloved memory of her uncle. This is indeed a very soulful and thoughtful gesture, and let us pray for his soul as well as a quick recovery for the family. So now we'll get started. This month's box is curated by my friend and fellow YouTuber Ashma from Merriness. We all know her and she has done an excellent job. So let's get started and see what we have. So here we have Princess Box for the month of April, the Royal Edition, and as usual Priyanka has done an amazing job with the packaging. This is a sturdy box which you can use for storing, very sturdy and reached me in good condition. And also there is an envelope in the same pattern. So let's open up. Probably this will be the info card. No, this is just like a what do you call it, the money purse, like that. You can keep the change in it. So it's again a good material and it's nice, and it goes well with the box also. So every month Priyanka does something beautiful with the packaging. And inside the box we have all the products. Although box size is pretty small, this time we have so many branded stuff that makes the box worth having. So here we have all the stuff and I am getting excited. So let's get started. Considering this is like an around the world edition, each product is from different part of the world. So this one is from UK and it is a makeup revolution palette. You can also go for something else. All the options will be listed at the end of the video. So what I went for is the Eat Sleep Makeup Repeat Pro Look 3-in-1 palette, and I am already loving the green, the yellow color of it. So this palette is perfect for someone who is a beginner in makeup who wants to experiment with so many colors. There is something, basically it has shimmer colors as well as the normal matte colors, and I just can't wait to start creating looks with this one. And also it comes with a mirror also, so that is great. So this is the first product, and excellent choice, I have to say. The second product is any product from India. You can either go for a fuchsia serum or the full size Chocomint body butter worth 1350 from Nature's Co, and this is what I picked. It's a huge tub with 250 ml of the product. So this is how the body butter looks like. I already have a big tin and I love the fragrance of this one. I almost finished it. It smells like authentic chocolate and it is so nourishing on skin. So that is the product from India. Third one is jewelry from South Korea, and there are 3 options available, and this is what I picked. Perfectly goes well with the Korean theme of the blingy stones and all. So here I have pink and cyan color going on, and this is such a beautiful earrings. It is like black metal, and this is how the rare side looks like. So this is the first jewelry piece and the product from South Korea. Next is a product from Italy, and what we have here is a bangle. And this is how the bangle looks like. It will be a random color. This is basically like a bracelet bangle, and yeah, this is how you wear it. So there are I think 2 colors are there. You will be receiving a random one. It's a very dainty one. It has the marble design going on, and the quality of this one is very good. Something that you can wear on a daily basis, even if you're a college going girl or a working lady, whatever that is. So this is a very pretty one, and this is the next product, and it is Italy based. This item is a disco mobile charger, and I've switched off the lights to show you how it works. So basically you can switch it on to the plug or the power bank, and this is how the charger goes. It shows different colors and you can extend the length as well, and it is like a completely lit cable, and it is such a cute addition. Also it keeps on changing color. The color that I received is purple, but then it emanates all colors, and it's a pretty cute one, something that people like me will definitely like. So this is the next product, and it is supposed to be based out of Philippines. So this is pretty cute. I'm pretty sure it is from Philippines because Priyanka always goes on tours to Philippines, and she knows pretty well what's happening there. So I'm glad. I will only be surprised if there is no product from Philippines in the box. So this is the next one, a very cute edition. Something from either London or USA. The print wise. And what we have here is this is the headphone pouch, and I have London themed headphone pouch. There is Big Ben. Oh my god, this takes me down the memory lane. I was lucky enough to go on a trip in 2016, and I still remember all of that. So we have the Tower Bridge here, and there is Big Ben, and this is this is really nice. Again, this is a sturdy case, and for people like me who are very flimsy, we always need this, because I just throw in my headphones in a bag and then I take it out and then it will be like spoiled. So this is a great addition for me. Right now I have one, but then I always need more than one. So this is the next product, and it is either USA based design or a London based design. Something to remember from Japan, what we have here is a luggage tag, and it is a Hello Kitty luggage tag. So I just wish I got all these stuff when I was actually traveling. A little late, but nevertheless, we'll always be traveling. At least that's what I hope for. So this is how the luggage tag looks like, and I'll probably write something like, don't touch my luggage or something to sound rude. So this is how the tag looks like, and here you can enter your basic details, and it's a cute one. It's like a rubbery material, something that looks like washable also. Definitely when it is a luggage tag, it has to be washable. So this is from Japan, and this is representing Japan. So that is good, and it's a cute product. So that is my next one. Next, we are starting off with the surprise gifts, and I can't even tell you how excited I am, because every month Priyanka adds these original branded stuff in the box. I keep on repeating original branded stuff. So this time the surprise gift that I picked is basically, it's a surprise gift, but you have a choice. I picked the mini Kat Von D lipstick, and it is a liquid lipstick in the shade Mother, and Mother is like a very famous shade, and I was dying to try this one. Kat Von D is supposed to have, it is said to have one of the best liquid lipstick formulations. You can either go for a mini Kat Von D, or you can go for the mini studded Kat Von D lipstick, or you can go for a full-sized MAC Snowball edition. 4 shades are available. So 3 options were there. Literally, I was eating my own head thinking what to pick, and then I went with Kat Von D. So this is the shade, and it is the shade Mother. So let's just see. I'm so excited to try this one, and this is how the color looks like. Such a brilliant color. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look fine on my pigmented lips. I'm loving the shade so much. So yeah, this is the first surprise. So the second surprise gift is again a choice. You can either go for a Victoria's Secret body mist, that too 4 options are there, or you can go for the Colorpop Lux lipstick. And yes, I am a shopaholic. I had to get one of these from her. I took this for my box basically. I chose the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Shimmer Fragrance Mist 75 ml for my box, but I paid extra and I got a Colorpop Lux lipstick as well because I couldn't resist it. And I still feel like I'm a big shopaholic. So the shade that I got is still Crazy. So basically I am happy about the Victoria's Secret edition because I never thought that a box in India would give it at any point of time. And look at those shimmers, you guys. It's so pretty, and I can't even start to tell you how much I'm in love with this one. And the fragrances, and it's so classy. The fragrance is so good. So there are 4 variants available. Everything will be listed at the end of the video. You can check that out. So let me just take a moment and appreciate the beauty of this one. So instead of that, you can also go for the Lux lipstick if you are someone into makeup so much. So let's just open up and see. I'll show you what shade I got. I basically got the Lux lipstick for this awesome packaging. I couldn't resist it when I saw it. It's a very heavy, solid golden packaging, and this is how the lipstick looks like. Those stars, I live for those stars, and I couldn't resist it. I had to get it because I want to click pictures for Instagram. These are so pretty, and this particular shade, it's a brilliant shade. Something that I have been looking for a very long time. The shade is still Crazy, and when I purchased this, Priyanka must have think, oh, that girl is still crazy because she's purchasing on top of the box. Well, basically, so yeah, that is like the second surprise gift. And moving on to the other stuff, something from Thailand, and we have the Gap biscuits. I should be Gap because there is no E. It is Gap biscuit, and the flavor that I got is strawberry, and it's a 23-gram product. There are 3 flavors available. You will be receiving 1 random. And no, I'm not opening this right now because I want to click pictures. So yeah, I won't open it, right? So I'll be posting the pictures on Instagram for sure. So this is the next product, and this is representing Thailand. And finally, I have a surprise gift here, a cute gift. It could be either a jewelry piece or anything for that matter. But what I got here is it's It's a cute nail clipper which comes in a Ziploc packaging, which means I will not be losing it out. So yeah, this is how the nail clipper looks like. It is so cute. I will never use it for shaping my nails. Trust me guys, when I say that, I'll never use it. It is such a cute design, and yeah, this goes right into my photo prop category. So very, very cute, and that is the cute edition. And that completes my Princess Box April edition, Around the World edition, curated by Ashma. So I have to say this, that both of them, Priyanka and Ashma, they've done an excellent job. When I worked with Priyanka in January for curating the Jan box, I know how easy it is. You can give her suggestions and she will bring it. You tell her you want the moon in the box, she's going to bring the moon in the box. So I am pretty sure that Ashma must have also had a very wonderful experience working with Priyanka, and last month Sonam as well in Feb. So in March we did not actually have Princess Box. There was a sale going on, but in April, yeah, right now we have the box. So anyway, it's very nicely curated. I have to say that the box is value for money. This edition is something that I would blindly give to any of my female friends, because they're gonna love it for sure. Everything is branded, they're all good quality, and there is lipstick, there is eye makeup palette, there is skincare, there is a body mist from Victoria's Secret, and then there is very beautiful jewelry. And I just can't, yeah, this is basically not, like, either of these is not part of the box, but anyway, I'm gonna keep it here because I bought it. So I in total loved Princess Box April edition, and I'll definitely recommend the box to you guys as well. You have to get it because you're gonna love the stuff. So that's my review. I hope this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to take part in the giveaway, which will start on my Insta after April 20. So keep a check. So we'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. So let's take a look at the various options. Now for the Royal edition, the first one is the palette from UK. It can either be the Rock and Roll palette from Freedom, or the one that I chose, Eat, Sleep, Repeat from Makeup Revolution. And for the jewelry, you can either go for the pastel colored earrings or the next blue one. This is the second one. The third product will be a jewelry piece. It will be a bangle, either of the two. Next, these are the colors of the charger cables, but then it will be random. Now for the surprise gift, the first gift, you can either go for a full-size MAC Snowball edition or a Kat Von D lipstick. They have that bullet one as well as the liquid lipstick one. These are the MAC shades available. And the second gift, you can choose either a Colorpop lipstick of your shade choice, or you can go for a Victoria's Secret's body mist. Again, there are 4 options available. One of the two can be chosen. And the Gap biscuits, it is not a choice, probably it will be a random addition in the bags. Now moving on to the Deluxe edition, the first one is the UK, from UK, it can be the I Heart makeup palette, or it can be the Freedom Eyeshadow Pro, or it can be the Shimmer Skit Plus Mono Eyeshadow. Then you have the jewelry, which I'll show, then UK Freedom Lip Liner, then the Hello Kitty luggage tag, then the surprise gift, either a Freedom lipstick or a Colorpop mini, and then the Gap biscuit and the pre-booking gift. These are the surprise gifts, either Colorpop or the Freedom lipstick. And then these are the jewelry options. Yeah, so that's it.